Good morning children. Welcome to our online classes. Today we will continue with our chapter number 4. We will solve exercise number 4.4. Okay. Question number 1 is MCQ. Choose the correct option, multiple choice question. Okay. First number is there are 5,000 cricket bat in a shop. How many cricket bat was there? 5,000. And if 2,809 cricket bat were sold, 2,809 cricket bat were sold. Okay. So what you have to find? The number of the cricket bat left in the shop. You have to find the how many bats are left in the shop. So we will subtract and find. Okay. We will take carry from here. 9, 9, 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 4 minus 5 is 2. So what is our answer? Answer is 2191, which is given in option number C. So you will tick option number C for question number 1. Number 2. Question number 2 is the difference between the largest and smallest 4-digit number so that the number using the digits 3509. 3509 you have to find the largest and smallest their difference. Okay, so largest number will be 9530 and smallest will be 3059. So their difference we have to find it out. Okay, so from 0 we can't subtract 9, so we will take carry from here. 10 minus 9 is 1. 2 minus 5 is also not possible. So here 12 minus 5 7, 4, 9 minus 3 is 6. So what is our answer? 6471, which is given in option number A. So you will tick option number A. Number 3. There are 5080 students in a school if the number of boys is 2806. So what is the number of girls? Total students given, boys given. You have to find the number of girls. So we will subtract and find. 7, 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 7. 10 minus 8 will be 2. 4 minus 2 will be 2. So what is the portion of girls? 2274, which is given in option number D. So you will tick that option. Okay. Number 4th question. 4th is I have 9,000 rupees. I am having 9,000 rupees and I have spent 5,862 rupees. Okay. So the amount of rupees remained. What is the amount of money I have left with? 8, 9, 9, 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 8, 1. 8 minus 5 is 3. So what amount of money I have left with? 3138, which is given in option number B. So you will tick the option number B. MCQ you have to tick in your book. Now moving on to question number 2. What is our question number 2? I am not writing the question, I am solving the questions only. Okay, you have to note down the question from your book. Number 2. What is question number 2? What should be added to 435 to get 1000? What we have to get 1000 and what should be added to 435? So when we will subtract these two numbers, we get the another number. Okay. So we will subtract 0, 9, 9, 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5, 0. So what number should be added to 435? Answer is 565 should be added. Should be added to 435 to get 1000. Okay. Question number 3 is John's monthly income is rupees 8,000 and his monthly expenditure is given. Okay, is 4,690. Find his monthly saving. We have to find the monthly saving. Okay, so first we will write here John's monthly income. John's monthly income is equals to 8,000 rupees. Okay, and John's monthly expenses is equals to rupees 4,690. So what we have to find it out, his saving, how much money he has saved. So when we will subtract these two numbers, we will get the saving. Okay, so first we will write 1,000, 100, tens, ones. 8,000 minus 4,690. 7, 9, 9, sorry, 7, 9, and this will become 10. 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 6 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. So what is our answer? Answer is 3,310. Means John's monthly saving is rupees 3,310. Now, number 4th. You have to solve this word problem, one page, one question. First you will write the question, then you will write the solution, and then next question you will write in your next page. Now, question number 4. What is question number 4? 4 is the sum of two numbers is sum of two numbers. What is the sum of two numbers? 2,894. If one of them is, one number is equals to 1,750, you have to find the other number, you have to find it out. Okay, so when we will subtract these two numbers, we will get the other number. 2,894 minus 1,750. 4 minus 0 is 4. 9 minus 5 4. 8 minus 7 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So our other number is 1,144. Question number 5. Two person donated a total sum of rupees 9,000 for flood relief fund. So how many person donated? 2 person donated, and what is the amount? 9,000. So we will write the statement first. Okay, and one of them donated 6,000. Find the donation of other person. You have to find the donation of other person. First we will write here money donated by 2 person is equals to rupees 9,000. Money donated by first person. First person donated amount of rupees 6,325. What we have to find it out? Money donated by second person. Money donated by second person. This we have to find it out. So how we will find? If we will subtract these two numbers, we can get our answer. 1000, 100, tens, ones. 9000 minus 6325. 8, 9, 9, 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 3 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. So the other person donated amount of rupees 2675. Okay. Now question number 6. What is our question number 6? Question number 6 is, there are 7,339 books written in different languages in a book shop. If 3,588 of them are written in English, how many books are there in other languages? This you have to find it out. Okay. Question number 6. What is question number 6? There are 7,339 books written in different languages. So we will write number of books, total number of books. Total number of books are 7,339. Number of book in English language. Number of books in English. How many books are there in English? 3,588. What you have to find it out? How many books are there in other languages? Other language book. This you have to find it out. Understood the question? Total number of books are given. Number of books in English. This much books in English. So what you have to find it out? How many books are there in other language? So when we will subtract, we will get our answer. 1000, 100, tens, ones. 7,339 minus 3,588. 3,588. 9 minus 8, 1. 3 minus 8 is not possible, so we will take carry from here. 13 minus 8 is 5. 2 minus 5 is not possible. 12 minus 5, 7. 6 minus 3 is 3. So how many books are there in other languages? 3,751. Okay. Now question number 7. There are 7,750 eggs in a shop. Question number 7. Question number 7. There are 7,750 eggs in a shop. So number of eggs, total number of eggs is equals to 7,750. Out of them, some eggs are sold. So number of sold eggs is equals to how many number of sold eggs are there? 3,478. So what you have to find it out? Eggs left. How many eggs were left? This we have to find it out. When we will subtract these two numbers, we will get our answer. Okay. 7,750 minus 3,478. This we have to subtract. Okay. So from 0 we can't subtract 8. So we will take carry from here. It will become 4. This will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. What next? 4 minus 7 is not possible. Okay, so we will take carry from here. This will become 6. This will become 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 6 minus 4 is 2. 7 minus 3 is 4. So how many eggs were left? Answer is equals to 4272 eggs are left. Now question number 8. Which is smaller and by how much? This you have to find it out. Which number is smaller and by how much? Now I am rubbing number 7. We will solve number 8. Question number 8 is 7258 and 7285. So which one is greater and by how much? Which is smaller? Sorry, the question is which is smaller. So smaller is this number, smaller number. Okay, smaller number is 7258 and by how much? That we can find after subtracting the numbers. Okay, so 7, 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 7 minus 5 is 2, 0, 0. So what will be the answer of this question? You will write 7258 is smaller and by how much? By 27. Okay. 7258 is smaller by 27. In this way you have to solve the question. Now next question is question number 9. Question number 9. What is question number 9? A factory produced 8550 bulbs. First we will read the question, smaller portion, and we will write the statement also. Okay. So what is the number of bulbs produced by a factory? We will write here number of bulbs produced by factory is equals to 8550. Okay. Now next, out of them 4599 bulbs were supplied to the distributor. So number of bulb supplied is equals to how many bulbs supplied? 4599. So what you have to find it out? Bulbs left. How many bulbs were left? This you have to find it out. How we will find? By subtracting the numbers. 8550 minus 4599. 4, 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 4 minus 9 is not possible, so we will take carry from here. 14 minus 9 is 5. 4 minus 5 is again not possible. 14 minus 5 is 9. 7 minus 4 is 3. So how many bulbs are left? Answer is equals to 3951 bulbs were left. Question number 10 is, what is question number 10? The sum of two numbers are given and one number is given to you. You have to find the other number. Okay. Question number 10. What is number 10? Sum of two numbers is, sum of two numbers is equals to 7889. One of them is, one number is given. One number is equals to 2880. You have to find the other number. Other number you have to find it out. Okay. 1000, 100, tens, ones. 7889 minus 2880. 9 minus 0, 9, 0, 0, 7 minus 2 is 5. So what is the other number? Other number is equals to 5009. Okay. So this much was for today only. We will meet in our next class and we will solve more questions. Okay. So thank you.